Savings by Design by Enbridge Gas is an energy conservation program targeted to the new construction and renovation market. This program provides free technical assistance and energy modeling to help customers build beyond code and achieve higher performance targets. Enbridge Gas partners with Sustainable Building Canada to facilitate this workshop and one-day event.
We're the delivery agent for the Savings by Design program. As part of that effort, we host workshops where we bring in a subject matter expert team and work with a project design team and look for ways to improve the energy and environmental performance of a building.
We provide access to some of the best building science experts in the market to analyze specific factors of your building.
We are always able to demonstrate an energy performance improvement that has real value in terms of ongoing operational costs for the ultimate owner of the building.
This program is tailored for its individual participants and will work with you to understand your project goals and your project sustainability priorities. This program is eligible to commercial and multi-residential developers as well as institutional. The projects need to be at the design stage or earlier. The building must be greater than 25,000 square feet and located in an Enbridge Gas service territory.
We've had really lots of super enthusiastic proponents who come back to the program multiple times. So they had a great experience, they learned something. It's a great opportunity at no cost.